I found an easy way to get a tire valve out of a piece. I was trying to inflate a basketball and the piece broke off in there. It's done it on several items that I had, but I finally figured out a way. What you can do is fill that hole with super glue. Stick a little nail down in there. Let it cement. After a while, once it cements, you just take a pair of pliers, grab it, and pull it out. Now, this one hasn't cemented yet, but here's one that was stuck in another piece, and I couldn't get it out. So I used the same process. Once it's cemented in there, I just grabbed it with the pliers and pulled it out.